Okay, so we're at the end of a job which has involved digging up a lot of ground, a lot of tree roots, and so I wanted to give a very quick safety demonstration on how to use this particular tool, which we'll get to in just a second. Before beginning, it's important to point out what protective equipment you're going to need, or otherwise known as PPE. So for today's job, you're going to be needing safety goggles, gardening gloves would be a fantastic idea to stop yourself from getting blisters, etc., and some steel toe cap boots. That's pretty much all you need for this job. So this tool is invaluable. Anyone that's looking to dig up their garden, to do a bit of heavy duty groundwork, obviously pitchfork, your shovel, spades, your typical equipment, really useful. But for anything heavy duty, the Mattock is a really great tool. So this one, a lot of people confuse this one with the pickaxe because it looks so similar. So the pickaxe is used for breaking up rocks. You might have two really sharp points on either side. This one, the Mattock, you've got the axe edge, which is great for cutting through really thick tree roots and breaking up really tough ground. And then you've got the flat, rather chiseled sort of edge, which is known as the adze. It's got a funny name, ADZE. So that's the adze there, which is great for digging away quite a lot of dirt. So quick safety demonstration on how to use this. When you're breaking soil, what you want to do is you want to use your dominant hand to hold the Mattock underneath its head there, and you want to use the left or your less dominant hand to hold that by the handle. That's the safest way of holding this. Now if you're using a pickaxe or a Mattock, the heads are interchangeable. You can change the handle. This particular one that I'm using today is a fiberglass handle. You can use a wooden handle. I prefer the fiberglass handle because it is lightweight. To replace the heads, or if I wanted to change that out with a pickaxe head, you can do. You just slot the handle through the eye, pop that on, give it a couple of taps, and that's in place. It's nice and secure. It's not going to fall down. So dominant hand, like I said, underneath the head there, less dominant at the handle. When that's in action, what a lot of people do to really stay safe is they use the adze edge if your ground is already soft, and you can use that to pull up soil without having to lift that over your head. If you've got a really tough tree root or some really hard soil, it's going to be a great idea, and it is safe if you do it the correct way, to lift that over your shoulder for the swing. But there is a correct way of doing that. So again, dominant hand underneath the head, less dominant hand at the bottom of the handle there. And we're going to give this a swing. I'm going to show you how to do that safely. So what you want to do is the dominant hand on the swing wants to come down to meet the less dominant. And we're going to see that in slow-mo. And that's where your hand wants to end up, meeting the less dominant. We're going to do that a little bit faster so you can see the power. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break round, I'm going to smash the ground really hard, just like you're going to smash that like, comment and subscribe buttons. So let's go, nice and hard, smash, and we're down, okay? So while I'm smashing that, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. 3, 2, 1, there we go, and you get a lot of force in there like that. So we can pull that up, it breaks up our ground, and then we can go to work on that with a shovel or spade, emptying that into our wheelbarrow or on our dirt pile. So that's it for today. That's your safety demonstration. I hope that you managed to learn a little bit today about how to use the Mattock.